Hey guys, welcome back to My Intelligence. It's me again, Beardy.
And it's me again, too, Kay. And of course, Larry's here, too. We've just spent the last few minutes watching Inner Game's video about the tricks to attract girls in 90 seconds, and we thought we can actually add more tips there. And since we really want to help you attract her immediately, we're also going to tell you the number one thing you should not do if you don't want her to run the opposite direction in less than 90 seconds.
Let's get right to it. Number 7, eyes, baby. One of the tricks to attract her is to use your eyes. Let them do the talking or the smiling. Your eyes are a powerful tool. You should hold a gaze to show that you're interested in a person. Or better yet, maintain eye contact while talking just so that they'll know that you're being genuine and true. That's how to get girls to like you. So the next time you're with a girl, use your eyes to your advantage. They're the number one weapon you have to initiate a deep relationship with someone.
Number 6, pick me up. Hey. Before you get the wrong impression here, listen first. If you want to learn how to attract women, then you should be able to pull off some smooth pickup lines. See, when you're able to do this speaks more about you knowing how to pick the right timing, the right place, and the right words in order to bring some humor into your conversation. Plus, this also shows that you have what it takes to be able to initiate a conversation. Man, that's really something. Now, once you've done this, be on the lookout for body language signs that she's attracted to you right after. This is because when you deliver the perfect pickup line, you increase your chances of her liking you, and this will show through her body language.
Don't know how to read body language? We got you covered. Head to our video here and learn all about it. Number 5, details, please. If you want to learn how to get a girl, then you should pay attention to the details. And we mean not only about her, but also the little details about yourself too. Is your hair all neat and tidy? Is your shirt not wrinkled? You're sure there's nothing stuck between your two front teeth? See, the details, even the minute ones, matter because having them taken care of shows that you care, truly care. So if you want to learn how to be more attractive, you gotta consider the tiny things, just like those holes in your belt, which used to be perfect circles, but are now all stretched out.
Well, if you've got one from today's sponsor, Anson Belts, then you've got nothing to worry about. Their belts are literally holeless, which means that you'll be taking one thing off your list of things to check from time to time. We've talked about them several times before, and we're telling you they're the real deal. Anson Belt & Buckle is a family-owned company, and we've actually met the owners. Quite honestly, their belts are amazing because the notches on their belts are spaced 1/4 of an inch apart, which means that you're surely going to find the perfect fit for you, no matter what size you're in. Plus, you won't need to worry that your belt is too long because you can actually trim the other end of the belt to get the exact length you want. This way, you won't have to settle for something that's slightly larger or slightly smaller than your waist, just like how you used to do with belts with actual holes that are spaced 1 inch apart. Now, if that doesn't sound convincing to you yet, then head to their website at www.ansonbelt.com and see thousands of 5-star reviews from their customers. While you're there, check out their bestseller, the box set, which enables you to get 3 straps and 2 buckles, or 3 buckles and 2 straps. That's 6 belt combos so that you can mix and match for every outfit you have. The best part here is that you can get all these for under $100. And take note, they come with a lifetime guarantee. And did we mention that their customer service is top-notch? Guess that's another detail you don't want to miss.
Hey, we know you're already excited to shop for new belts from our sponsor, but don't go yet because we still have 4 more items on our list of tricks to attract her immediately. Plus, we still have to give you the number 1 thing you shouldn't do if you don't want to scare her away. Let's get right back to it. Number 4, air of confidence. Okay guys, when somebody confident enters the room, do you feel it?
Well, yeah. I mean, when a confident man walks into the room, I immediately feel like he's different. It all boils down to body language. Making eye contact and standing tall is like telling someone, hey, I'm great and I know it.
This is where the law of attraction comes in. Think of it this way. When you think of great things are bound to come to you. Like getting the attention of that cute girl in the corner. You can even make her chase you if you do this correctly. Make your entrance speak for you and you'll attract her immediately. In less than 90 seconds for sure. You know what else we're sure about? We're sure we can make her chase you if you watch this video where we teach you how. It's got over 1 million views already. So this can't be bad, right?
Number 3, flirty compliment. Another one of the tricks to attract her is to actually flirt your way to attract her immediately. This approach is kind of straightforward, but when executed properly, you can actually get her to like you. What you have to do is flirt with her subtly, again by using your words, and yup, by giving her a compliment. Again, this is the secret law of attraction at work here. Give her something good, and you're attracting something good to come to you as well. Sounds good, right? Number 2, speak slow. When you've decided that you're going to talk to her, don't throw your chances of getting her out the window by stuttering or talking too fast. See, when you're nervous and you're not confident, it shows, especially in how you speak. And so if you want to attract her immediately, speak slowly. When you speak slow, first, you can think of what you're saying while you're saying it. You can therefore avoid saying the wrong words. Second, you're showing her that you're calm and composed because you're not rushing. You sure are. You are not insecure. That's how to get a girl to like you.
Number 1. Go direct. Man, seriously, if you keep asking yourself the question, does she like me? Stop it already and do something about it. You're not going to get the answer you're looking for if you won't do anything. The answer won't just come falling from the sky. One of the tricks to attract her immediately is to be straightforward. Don't dilly-dally around. Remember Noah from The Notebook? Well, that's what I'm talking about. Well, not the hang from the Ferris wheel part where he sees someone he likes and he immediately decides that he's going to go talk to her no matter what. See, that's one of the habits women love. Being direct. When you don't hesitate, that means you're so sure of yourself and that you really know what you want. Plus, it also shows that you're a doer. You know what else will make you a doer? Watching this video we made about the rest of the habits that women love. This video has more than 700,000 views already.
The number one thing you should not do if you don't want her to run away within 90 seconds. Well, this is none other than making your money do the talking. I mean, don't brag about how much money you're making, ever. Obviously, this shows a girl that you think she's interested in your money or that you think you can do everything just because you're rich. Believe me, that's not how to attract her immediately. While women love confident guys, please know there's a very thin line between confidence and arrogance, so tread lightly.
You know of any more tricks to attract her? Have you done one yourself? Let us know in the comments below. Gentlemen, did you know that getting all the tricks done to attract her in 90 seconds is just the first step to getting the girl of your dreams? You still have to decode her and know her deeper right after this initial step, her body language. Learn more about this and other hidden signals she likes you in this video right here.
Also, make sure not to miss clicking the link on the description box to head to the website of today's sponsor, Anson Belt & Buckle. Get your very own holeless belt right now and never wear one of those ratty belts with holes again, ever.